What is sound? As you know, sound is the also form of energy which produces sensation of hearing in our ears. That means when sound is produced, it is heard by our ears. When sound is produced, it is heard by our ears. Example, in radio or loudspeaker or electric bell, when body is hammered, or in radio or loudspeaker, when electrical energy is converted into the sound, then we hear the sound from the radio or loudspeaker. Now the question arises, how can sound propagate from one vibrating object to the ears of the listener or audience? As you know, without medium, sound cannot travel from one place to another place. So medium is required for the propagation of the sound. When electric bell is hammered or electric bell is on, then first of all the particles around the electric bell vibrate, and these vibrating particles also vibrate its neighboring particles, and on the same way it continuously by the vibrating other particles reaches to the ears of the listeners, and finally we hear the sound by the vibrating object. So the propagation of sound, for the propagation of the sound, medium is required. Without medium, it cannot travel from one place to the means another. How can sound travel from one place to another place, or how can sound travel from the vibrating object to the ears of the listeners or audience? First of all, we know that for the propagation of sound, medium is necessary. Without medium, sound cannot travel from one place to another place, or from vibrating object to the ears of the listener. Suppose this is the bell. When it is hammered or hit, then this will produce the sound, and sound will reaches to the ear by the process. First of all, the neighboring particles or adjacent particles of this bell vibrates. When these particles vibrate, it also vibrates its neighboring particles and transfer the energy to the other neighboring particles. By the continuous transfer and vibration of the neighboring particles, finally this sound reaches to the ear of the listener. It means, suppose this particle vibrate first, then this particle also vibrate its neighboring particles, and this sound energy transfer to this particle, and this neighboring particles also vibrate the other particles. So the particles do not move on the whole path from the vibrating object to the source or to the destination of the sound or ear of the listener or audience, but only by the continuous transfer of the sound energy reaches